This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. Today we'll discuss about routing. Today we will discuss about routing. What is the use of routing? Types of routings. So what are the different types of routings are available? Okay. These things we'll discuss. So up to now, up to now, when you are processing the case, now I am creating a case. Okay. Whoever is creating a case, same person, same person is performing some actions. Same person. If, okay, for example, if I'm creating a case, I'm only performing all the screens. Okay, all the screens. Okay, whatever case life cycle we defined here. But in a real time point of view, different participants or actors will be involved in our case life cycle. Okay, different persons or else participants will be involved in this entire case life cycle to process this case. Here now we can see collect information, verification, check eligibility, approval, disbursement, fulfillment. Okay, fulfillment. You can take like a case type, home loan case type. For home loan case type, first stage one, collect information, collect info. Next one is the verification. Okay, verification. Next one is check eligibility. Okay, next one is approval, disbursement. Okay, disbursements. Next one is the fulfillment. Sir, okay, fulfillment. Okay, this is our case life cycle. Now we can see up to now how we implemented is okay, now I'm creating a case. I'm only collecting the details. I'm only doing a verification. I'm only doing a okay, check eligibility. I'm only providing approval. I'm only dispersing the amount. After that, I'm only completing the case. Whether real time point of view, whether it will be like that, whether it will be like that, no. Okay, different people will involve to process the case. See, now I'm a CSR user. I'm CSR user. I will collect the details. I'm a CSR user. I will collect the details. Means CSR users will collect the details. After that, some verification people, verification team, verification team, they will do the okay verification. Verification do team, they will do the verification. Civil team, sir, civil team, they will do the civil check. And manager, approval team, manager approval, manager team, managers, okay, disbursement team, okay, disbursement team. So different people will involve. Up to now, we didn't do like that. So okay, I created the case and then I'm processing the case. But real time point of view, okay, different people will involve. Okay, different people will involve. Now I will collect the details. And then once I submitted, now I want to assign to some different person. I want to assign to some different person. I want to assign to some different person. And okay, same here also. Okay, once this verification is completed, I want to assign to some different person. Okay, once this say, okay, CBL check completed, okay, again I want to assign to some different person, single person or else multiple person. So once approval is completed, again I want to assign to some different person to do the disbursement. Sir, how we will do this one? How we will assign one? How we will assign assignment to different user, single user or multiple users? How we can assign? Okay, this process we can call as a routing. And so routing means by using routing, we can transfer the assignments. Okay, we can transfer the assignments from one user. Okay, sir, one user to another user. We can transfer the assignments to operators. Okay, like assignments or task to operators or work baskets means work queues. We can say like that. Sir, we can transfer the assignments or task to operators or work baskets means work queues, we can say. Operators means users. Sir, work baskets also we can call as a work queues, we can call as a work baskets. Sir, how we can transfer? Okay, how we can transfer, we'll discuss. Okay, routing can be done in a flow under assignment shape. The routing can be done in a flow under assignment shape. First definition is this one. And sir, once I created the case, now I created the case. Now it is assigned to me. Sir, once I created the case, now it is assigned to me. Click on history and you can see here. Okay, now it is assigned to me. See, assigned to Narsimha to enter information. Sir, now it's assigned to me. Even if I'm going to submit this screen, next screen also it will assign to me. Next screen also it will assign to me. Sir, once I submitted, next screen also it is assigning to me. See, assigned to Narsimha, ready to complete the task. Sir, next once I submitted, next one also it is assigning to me. Okay, it is assigning to me. Okay, assigned complete. See, now see, assignment to be to complete the task completed by performing a discount. Okay, discount details. Who performed? Narsimha Reddy. Okay, now see here. Now automatically it is assigning to me. Next one. See, once I submitted, it is assigning to again same person. Whoever is performing the actions, automatically it is assigning to the same user. Automatically it is assigning to the same user. Sir, how we can assign to some different user? How we can assign? Okay, at that time, what we will do? We will use this routing concept. Okay, now see here. Now I'm opening open this one. how it is assigning to me. Okay, when I'm creating a case, okay, automatically it is assigning to me. Okay, this is the screen flow, right? Okay, this is the screen flow. For screen flow individual assignment routing, is it possible? Here you can see individual assignment routing is possible in a screen flow.
No.
No. Okay, individual assignment routing is not possible. Entire screen flow we can route. And okay, label names I'm giving. Sir, now here you can see, double click here, come down. Sir, route to who should complete this process? Who should complete this process? Okay, because this is the screen flow, that's why it is showing that who will complete this entire process. Current operator. Current operator means whoever is creating a case, that person will complete all these three assignments. Okay, that person. Okay, if it is sir, who should complete this process? Okay, for example, now we can see, refresh this one. Okay, refresh this one. Now see, now we can observe here. Now double click here. Okay, this is the process flow, right? Who should complete this step? Process flow, it is showing who should complete this step. This specific step who will complete. See, if I'm going to complete this step, if I'm going to complete this step, automatically next step also it is assigning to me. Okay, who is the current operator? I am only. Okay, whoever is creating a case, okay, it will assign to the same person. Okay, sir, now routing, different ways we can do the routing side. Okay, what are the different types of routings are available? Okay, what are the different types of routings are available? Sir, one is the work list. Okay, one is the work list. Next one is the work basket. Work basket is work queue. Work queue we can call as a work basket also. Okay. Next one is work list and work basket. Okay, dynamic conditional routing. Already people knows. Last time we discussed. Okay, dynamic routing. Skill based routing. Pega intelligent routing. Okay, these are the different ways we can route the assignments. And one is the work list. Okay, one other one is the work basket, conditional basis, dynamic routing. These are the different ways we can route. Okay, work list means, okay. So now if you want to assign the work basket to single user, okay, if you want to assign the assignment to single operator of specific operator, then we can use the work list. Okay, if you want to assign. Okay, if you want to route or it's assign the assignment, or if you want to route the assignment to operator. Okay, single operator means user, we can say. Okay, operator, single operator. If you want to assign the assignment to operator, then we can use work list. Single operator and okay, work list. Sir, next one. Sir, if you want to route the assignment to single operator, okay, single operator, then we can use the work list. Okay. Sir, now, sir, whatever assignments we are assigning to work list, whatever assignments we are assigning to work list, where we can see those assignments, which table it will store. Okay, which table it will store. Sir, which table, okay, store it will, okay, it will store. Okay.
PCI
Mm.
PC underscore SN underscore worklist.
Okay. Oh, 1 minute. Okay, work list related. Okay, interview point of view also people will like work list related assignments, okay, will be stored into PC underscore assign underscore work list table. Okay, important one, very important one. People will ask you. Okay, people will ask you. Okay, people will ask you, sir, which table it will store? Okay, where we can see the assignments, work list related assignments, which table? Sir, now okay, you need to remember this one. Okay, next one. Next one is assign hyphen work list class is mapped to this table. Okay, this table. Sir, assign hyphen work list class is mapped to PC underscore assign underscore work list table. Okay, okay, fine. Sir, now here every project, not only Pega, any technology, work list word is common, right? Work list word is common or not? Sir, work list means what? When you are logging into any application, you can see the work list. Work list means okay, when you are going to click on this work list, no items. Sometimes we can see like a no items. Sir, okay, when you are going to click on login icon, at that time you can see the no items. Okay, next one. Sir, if I am able to see this some work items, my work list, 188. 188. What do you mean? What do you
Yes,
mean? Huh?
count of work IDs mapped to that operator.
Means whatever assignments. Okay, sir, whatever assignments pending with the specific operator, where we can see, my work list only, right? Sir, now your manager, sir, okay, some appraisal, and okay, now when you raise a request like appraisal, your request it will go to your manager. Your leave request also it will go to your manager. Sir, how we can see this request is pending with me or not? Okay, that is his responsibility, daily responsibility. What he will do once he logging into the application, he will see the my work list. Okay, sir, my work list. Yes or no? Similar way, sir, my work list contains okay, my work list or else work list. Okay, work list we can say. Okay, work list mm, contains contains specific specific operator related assignments. The specific operator related assignments pending specific operator related pending pending assignments we can say. My work list contains my work list or else work list contains okay, specific operator related pending assignments. What I will do now, I will open this case and then I will process. Once I resolved this case, it will remove from my work list. And okay, this is the sir. Now this is the point. Whenever you want to route the assignment to single user, then we can use the work list. Okay, where which table it will store in this table, and what is the class name? This one. Okay, what is the class name? This one. In case if someone is going to ask you the okay, for example, whatever case is pending with Mahesh, I want to get one report, then where you are going to create a report. Okay, in this class I will create a report. Okay, next one is the work queue. Sir, what is the use of work queue? Okay, if you want to okay, if you want to route the assignment to multiple operators, then we can use work queue. Work queue, then we can use the work queues. And sir, whatever work items or work objects, and whatever work objects are available in a work queue, multiple users can access. Sir, multiple users can access. And sir, now multiple whatever work items are available in a work queue, multiple operators, users means operators. Sir, operators can access. Okay, for example, okay, in a work basket contains 10 items. Okay, now I have access. So Mahesh also is having access. If I'm going to pick the one work item from that work queue, how many items Mahesh can see now? How many items Mahesh can see now? How many items?
Two.
Only two work items and nine work items. Okay, total 10. Okay, now if I'm going to pick one work item, now Mahesh can see only okay, nine. Okay, remember this one. Okay, whatever work items are available in a work queue, multiple operators can access. If I'm going to pick one work item, remaining nine items will be available. Okay. Sir, where it will store? Which table it will store? Okay, which table it will store? Sir, now here work queue means work queue. Assignments will be stored into Workbasket. Sir, now this one also. Okay, work assign hyphen work. Okay, Workbasket class is mapped to this table. And okay, I will write like that. Work queue nothing but collection of work objects. Sir, whatever work items are available in a work queue, multiple operators can access. Okay, what is the table? This one. Okay, this is the table. Even practically also previously we discussed how we can pull the cases from this uh, table. Okay, how we can pull the cases from this table when we discussed about in depth about report definition. At that time we discussed. Okay, fine. This one also. Okay, now where we can do this routing? Where we can do here. Okay, in a flow under assignments. Okay, under assignment shape we can do the routing. Okay, these two are fine. For conditional basis routing. Conditional basis routing. Okay, how we can use by using all are same activity. However you want to use, you can use conditional basis routing by using two decision table or two decision tree or two decision map. Pega OTB activities. Okay, we can route the assignments to operators or work baskets or work queues. You can based upon property conditions. Based upon the property conditional based routing we can say dynamic routing. Okay, conditional based routing. So now we will use this Pega OOTB activities. Okay, we will create a decision table. We will okay, we will create a decision table or decision tree or map value. Okay, map value and specify the return value to operator name or work basket or work queue name. Work we will specify, that's it, and call this a decision table. After that, call the decision table under this one. Okay, so conditional based routing. Okay, we'll discuss okay examples. Okay, after that dynamic routing. What do you mean by dynamic routing? For dynamic routing means okay, now you can think that always for example mm, okay, sir, here now I'm going to hard code the value. I want to route to Narasimha, or else I want to route to Mahesha, or else I want to route to Anuja. Always I want to route to Anuja. I'm going to hard code it. Hard code. Okay, here also I'm going to hard code. Okay, send to okay verification. Send to CBL. I'm hard coding the work basket name or operator name. So now how we can dynamically specify the operator name instead of hard coding the operator name under routing tab. How we can specify the operator name dynamically? Okay, dynamically how we can specify, sir, by using the two work list or two work baskets. Pega OOTV activities, we can route the assignments. Okay, sir, assignments to operators. Dynamic, we can route the assignments to operators or work baskets. Work baskets means work queues dynamically. Sir, we can route the assignments to dynamically and work queue is nothing but okay, Workbasket. Okay, next one. Skill-based routing. Okay, skill-based routing means, okay, what do you mean by skill-based routing?
Based on the particular skill.
Based upon operator skill, right, bro? Come on. Based upon operator skill, yes or no? Operator skill means, for example, now when you call to the customer care, you will tell that prefer language. Okay, if you select the English, it will go to some different department. It will automatically, it will transfer your call to some different, means it will route, we can say, right? If you select the Telugu, it will route your call to some different department. Even if you call to customer care normal also, any inquiry, based upon your inquiry, they will route your call to different department. Agree? Same way here also. Based upon operator skill, we can, okay, we can route assignments assignments to operators. Sir, okay, what is the activity we will use? By using Pega OOTV activity. Okay, W is not working in my laptop. We can route the assignments to, okay, by using, okay, we can route the assignments to operators based upon skills, based upon operator skills. Okay, fine. Sir, Pega intelligent routing means, Pega intelligent routing means, any idea? Everyone?
It will route the based on the workload. It will route
Hmm.
based on the
Ba-
workload.
Based upon workload. Okay, for example, when your team lead or your manager is assigning so many tasks, at that time what we will do, what we will inform to them? You assigned so many tasks to me. Okay, you assigned so many tasks to me. Could you please assign to some different person? Could you please assign to some different person like that? Okay, could you please assign to some different person like that? We will tell, right? Here also similar way. Okay, based upon, for example, now, okay, now already in our work list contains two work items. Okay, my work list contains two work items. Mahesh work list, nothing, no work items available. Keep on, if I'm assigning, if same, okay, new work basket also it is assigning to me, my workload will increase, right? My workload will increase or not? Sir, now, okay, instead of that, what we will do is, okay, based upon operators workload. Based upon operators workload, we will assign the assignments to, okay, different assignments to different operators. Okay, based upon operators workload. We can say that operators workload means uh, based upon, I can say like that, right? Workload. We can assign the we can assign the assignments to, okay, different operators. Different operators. Sir, how we can achieve this one? Okay, different operators in that group, both, okay, in that same team, and you can say like that. Sir, what is the activity we will use here also? By using to top level. Okay, I will check to mm, to leveled group. Pega OOTB activity. We can route the assignments based upon operators workload. Okay, these are the different types of routings are available, and okay, these are the different types of routings are available. Theoretically, any questions? Any questions? Theoretically. Okay, tables. Just you can remember the tables. That's it. Any questions now?
Sir, we have authority matrix led and reporting structure also in routing. So that not come in types of routing.
Yes, we can see. Whatever in
Okay.
operator profile, whatever name you are specifying, right?
Hmm.
Whatever name you are specifying. For example, if I approve, again my manager also need to approve. Again my
Hmm.
manager also need to approve. Yes, we can continue that one also. But whether you are using any predefined activity,
No.
no, right?
Hmm.
Okay, that is also one type of routing, we can say. Okay, but every scenario, whatever I mentioned in a notepad, you can see we are using some different option, right? In our assignment. Okay.
Hmm.
Now, practically, we will discuss how we can assign. Okay, dynamically, how we can assign. Okay, conditional basis, how we can assign. How we can hard code the value. How we can hard code the value to specific operator and all. We'll discuss now practically. Okay, now see. So now here you can see. Okay, now, I'm checking
Sir, so how to transfer the work list to Workbasket?
work list too.
Workbasket.
Okay, what you answered?
Pega OOTP activity to transfer worklist assignment.
Whether you practiced or not.
Yes.
Okay, to reassign or to
Transfer.
to Workbasket. 1 minute. Okay, one is the reassign. Okay, by using this activity. Okay, by using this activity, we can transfer the assignments from operator to Workbasket or Workbasket to operators. Okay, na? Hello?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, we can transfer. Okay, by using, okay, this is the activity we will use. Okay. Sir, now you can transfer to, okay, if you want to transfer from one operator to another operator, you can pass the parameter only operator name to this one. In case if you want to transfer the okay, Workbasket from you to some different Workbasket, then you can pass the parameter like a reassign operator, reassign Workbasket name, your Workbasket name. Okay, or else now you want to transfer the case. Now by using this one, okay, first I will write this one. Pega OOTB activity. We can transfer the assignments from operator to from one operator to another operator or work queue. Okay, work queue or vice versa, or work queue to another work queue or operator. That now in case if you want to, okay, if you want to transfer to only specific Workbasket, you can use this one. Reassign to reassign to this one. One work queue to another work queue. Sir, now we can use this activity also. Sir, you can use this one also. Okay, here you can pass the Workbasket name. You can pass the Workbasket name. Which Workbasket to you want to reassign? Okay, now Mayur?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it.
Arjun,
Yes.
will get next work also will come under intelligent routing.
Yes, yes, bro.
Okay.
Automatically it will pick the assignments, right?
Yes.
Okay, I will send you 2 days after completion. Okay, with the today's record, I will send one of the record. Okay, in that record I explained about get next work and Bix one. Okay, already I sent recorded that recorded session or get next work and Bix one.
No, Arjun, not sir.
Okay, okay. I will send after completion of this one. Just to, you can go through that recorded file. Very important one. Common functionality people will ask you. Could you please explain about get next work like that? Okay, people will ask you. Please go through that one. Okay, practically also I explained. Okay, okay, recorded in this same record file itself. Even I explained Bix also. These two concepts are very important. Please go through this one. Okay, all are one-time activities only. Okay, sir. Now we can
Yeah.
see. Okay, now we will do the routing and sir. Okay, sir. How we will do the routing and all? Now we will check. Sir, now see here. Okay, one by one, one by one. Okay, we will practice. Sir, now, sir, when I'm going to complete the assignment, okay, now this one is the process flow, right? Okay, fine. Okay, so many things are available, right? Instead of that, what we will do is we will do one thing. Okay, I will log into the application. Okay. Or else it will not take that much of time, right? Fine. Okay, clearly I will explain. Mm, okay, one case type I will create. Mm, Quickly I will create one case type. Okay, leave request. Okay, many scenarios we can cover. Okay, many scenarios we can cover. Okay, just to give me 10 minutes, I will define one case type. Okay, in this case type itself, we will play. It will cover so many functionalities. Sir, first will remove this one. Okay. Also, many assignments people completed and you try. Okay. Okay. Transfer assignments. Sir, now I want to transfer cases to multiple operators. Multiple operators. You can use this one. Okay, you can use this activity. It will transfer the assignments to multiple users. So now I want to, for example, I have multiple cases. Okay, now I want to transfer those cases to multiple operators. We can use. We have so many Pega OOTB activities are available. Even to open the work object, to update the work object, many Pega OOTB activities are available. Okay. Sir, okay, we'll define a case lifecycle, leave request. Now you can see to work list, leave details, manager approval, okay, HR approval, okay, resolve. Okay, this is my case lifecycle. Here I'm going to define collect leave details. Collect leave details. I will assign. Okay, I will. Okay. Okay. Include one more as upload leave documents. Okay, approval details. HR approval details. Resolve details. Okay, these are the assignments now I can now specified. Okay, next one. We'll configure basic properties. Leave, start date, leave end date, leave end date, leave type, now you can specify drop down, annual leave, sick leave, maternity leave, okay, earned leave, like that you can specify. And okay, I'm leaving blank. Okay, leave region, leave region, okay, mobile number, email ID, okay, number of leaves, okay, number of leaves. That's it. Okay, we will configure the okay. Okay, leave documents. Okay, do you want to your leave request? Okay, do you want to submit your leave request? Okay, just like a POC purpose, just I added only two fields. Okay, now here he will review the. Okay, he will review. Manager will review the. He will review the leave details. Okay, approval status means manager approval status. Okay, sir, manager approval status. Okay, approved and rejected. Okay, rejected. Approved region. Okay, rejection region. Okay, rejection region. Next one is okay. Do you want to? Okay, do you want? Okay, do you want to send back leave request to employee? Okay, do you want to send back leave request to employee? Here, yes and no. Okay, do you want to send back a leave request to employee? Next one is okay. Eject. Okay, HR approval is required. Okay, is it HR approval required? No. You can specify a region for HR approval. Okay, region for HR approval. We can include multiple properties and okay, we can include multiple properties like that too. You can click on save. Okay, next one is this one. She want to HR approval status. Okay, approved and rejected. Approved and rejected. Now click on submit. Approved and rejected. Click on submit. Next one.
సదర్లాండ్ కదా అక్కడ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది కావ్య కూడా దగ్గర ఉంటుంది.
Do you want to? Okay, do you want to send back to
అంతే అనుకో, బట్
employee?
చూడాలి ఏది వస్తుంది అట్లా అనుకుంటూ ఉండాలి.
Do you want to send back to employee? Yes or no?
ఓ
Okay. Yes and no. Okay, do you want to send back? Okay, send back to manager. Okay, leave request to manager. Okay, you can select this one. Yes and no. Okay, very minimal properties we configured. Okay, for logic purpose and all. Okay, select this one, click on configure. Just one property I configured here. Now click on save. Okay, now we can observe. Okay, I'm processing the case. Okay, now I'm processing the case. See, now all assignments it is assigning to me only. So now I'm processing the request. See, now I'm processing the request. Now it is assigning to me and okay, now it is assigning to me. Okay, now I'm applying a leave. Now it is assigning to me. Why it is showing? Okay, sorry. Okay, now create a case. See, now it is assigning to me. Sir, now it is assigning to me. Okay, even next assignment also it will assign to me. See, assigning to me means now I'm a current operator. That's why I'm able to see the screens. Now once I submitted, even approval also it is coming to me. Okay, next screen also it is coming to me. Okay, coming to me only. Sir, now we can think that, okay, now see, now I'm completing end to end. I'm only raising a leave request. I'm only approving. I'm only approving from manager side. I'm only approving from HR side, and then I'm completing my leave request. Okay, but that is not a process. Right, now here you can see, for example, Narsimha 1. Okay, normal, single work list routing. Narsimha 1 is the manager. Okay, Narsimha 2 is the HR. Okay, Narsimha 1 is the manager, Narsimha 2 is the HR. How we can route assignment to specific user? If they ask you to route the assignment to specific user, open whatever assignment they asked you to route. Okay, whatever assignment they asked you to route, open that flow. Okay, double click on that assignment shape. Okay, here you can see the routing. And sir, who should complete this one? Now I told that Narsimha 1 is the manager. Narsimha 1 is the manager. Now I want to assign this case to Narsimha 1. Here you can see, select the operator. Now we can specify the Narsimha 1. Narsimha 1. Sir, Narsimha 1 is the manager. Narsimha 1 is the manager. Now I am assigning to Narsimha 1. Okay, click on check in. You can check in and check in this one. Okay, now we can see here, if you are seeing this symbol means routing symbol, you can think that. Now this assignment we assign to Narsimha 1. Okay, whenever they asked you, okay, they told you in our requirement always need to assign this assignment to this person only. Always we want to assign the assignment to this person only. Now assign to Narsimha 1. Now we can see here, okay, now you can run the case. Now run the case. Okay, now now Narsimha 1 is the Narsimha. Okay, now I'm placing a leave request. So now I'm placing a leave request. Okay, once I submitted, now whatever details now I entering, now I'm entering whatever details now I'm entering here. So now click on submit. Sir, next screen also it will assign to me. Sir, whoever is creating a case, now immediately it is assigned to okay, Narsimha 1. Now we can see here. It assigned to Narsimha. Now we can open. It is assigned to Narsimha 1. Okay, in his operator profile, it's mentioned like a Narsimha 1. So now it is assigned to Narsimha 1. Again, you can create one more case. Sir, again you can create one more case. Okay, click on submit. So this is the way we can assign the operator. Okay, we can assign the assignments to specific operator. Now we can 3 cases now. Sir, now here these all assignments will be available. Sir, now you can see. Okay, 4 cases I assigned. Now see Narsimha 1. Okay, Narsimha 1. Okay, 3 cases now I assigned. Okay, now here click on submit. Now we can see here 4 cases I assigned, right? Now we can open assign icon worklist table. Sir, in this worklist table now we can see, okay, each one entry it will store. Sir, now here in this worklist now we can see these 4 assignments. See above 1, above 4. Now this above 4 items it is pending with it is pending with whom? It is pending with whom?
Narsimha.
Narsimha 1. Sir, now Narsimha 1. Narsimha 1, what is the assignment name? Sir, what is the flow name? Sir, now all the details, now in our assignment table contains, sir, who created the case? Who created? Narsimha Reddy created the case. Okay, what time created? Now all information will be available and okay, people will ask you to get the report. Now we can see here, now I can see, okay, now my cases, now it is assigning to work in this table. Now if I'm going to create one more case, now it will be in one entry in this table. Okay, now double click on submit. So now here you can see, okay, now again you can see the one more item you can see here. One more item. Sir, now if I log off and log in from Narasimha 1. Sir, Narasimha 1 can see the work item. Sir, now see, now we can see the all the 4 work items, right? 5 work items. These are the 5 work items, right? Approval details, and all 5 work items. What he will do, he will pick the case from his work list. He is a manager. He will pick the case from his work list, and then he will complete. He will review the leave request details, and then he will complete. Okay, now okay, all are fine. Okay, now I'm going to approve. Okay, do you want to send back to? Okay, no. Okay, is no. Okay, yes, you can think that yes. Now click on submit. Sir, now it is going to the HR approval. Sir, HR approval. Sir, why it is assigned to Narasimha 1 only? Why it is assigned to Narasimha 1 only? Come on. Sir, why it is assigned to Narasimha 1 only?
Because in HR approval, we did not route anything.
Default, it is current operator.
And default is the current operator. Sir, whoever is performed previous screen, automatically it will assign that assignment to the same user. Last assignment, whoever is completed, it will assign to the same user. Okay, clear, right? Sir, now what is the option now? Okay, we didn't. Okay, now see here. Now I'm going to complete it. Now I'm going to complete this one. Say now I'm going to complete. Sir, now automatically, previously 5 work items are available. Sir, now see it is removed, right? Once you completed, automatically it will remove from your table. Agree? Hmm. Sir, when you are completing the assignments, automatically it will remove from your assignment table. And now even from worklist table, automatically it is removing. Previously 5 work items are available, 5 approvals are available. Just now you complete it. If I'm going to pick one more case, if I complete this one, I can see only. Now I'm going to click on submit. I'm going to click on submit. Sir, now how we are assigning to different users? Okay, now I can see only okay, 3 work items. Okay, sir, now see, now this is the way we can assign the operators to. Okay, this is the way we can assign the assignments to operators. For example, sir, now I want to assign a operator to Narasimha 2. Sir, HR approval. Okay, now see here, HR approval. Now I want to assign to Narasimha. Narasimha 2 is the Narasimha 2 is the manager. Sorry, HR. Now I'm going to assign this one to Narasimha 1. Operator, now we can select the Narasimha. Okay, Narasimha 2. Click on submit, click on second. Then we can create a case again. Sir, now okay, whatever assignment they asked you to route, open that assignment. Click on select the route option, user, and then you can specify the operator ID. So now, okay, this case is assigned to Narasimha 1. Now go here, okay, 724007. Okay, now I'm opening this case. So now I'm opening this case. Now see here. Now okay, all are fine. Now I'm going to click on submit. Sir, whether he is able to continue this case. Sir, whether Narasimha 1 is able to continue this case, whom it is assigned. Come on. This is
That's
the way, this is the way we will do in our real-time projects, right? Okay, now see, now what he will do is now see again he is going to pick one more work item from his work list. Okay, now click on submit. It will go to the next user. Now, okay, next user. Now log off and log in from Narasimha 2. Narasimha 2 work list. But now Narasimha 2 work list. Now you can see the. Sir, 2 work items are available. There are 2 work items are available. Sir, now what I will do now, I am going to pick this case and then I will provide a approval. Okay, click on submit. Any questions? How to route the assignment to single user? Everyone?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. It is straight up simple. Open that assignment and then you can hard code the value. That's it. Okay. Sir, similar way, for example, bro, managers and okay, you can see this example, bro. Okay, work basket. Work basket means now you can think that, sir, in this example, this is the example you can think. Sir, now see, verification team means only one person will be available or multiple people. Ah, sir, only
Multiple people.
multiple people, right? Not like a single person. Multiple people will be available. Sir, multiple people will be available. Sir, multiple people will be available. Okay, now see here. Now here also multiple people will be available. Multiple people will be available. Now how we can, whenever you want to route the assignment to multiple users, then we can route the assignment to work basket. Work basket. Okay, sir, work baskets. Now this one, now we will, if I assign, okay, this work basket needs this case to this team, this team people, they will work on. Whoever is belongs to this team, they will pick the cases. Whoever is belongs to this team, they will pick the cases. Whoever is belongs to this team, they will pick the cases. Whoever is belongs to dispatch team, they will pick the cases from their work list. Okay, now clear and everyone? Okay, sir, now how we will do this one? Okay, now we can observe. Sir, now I'm going to create a work basket. Okay, now I'm going to create a work basket. Sir, you can follow the navigation. I will write some of the points. Okay, these two classes, please remember. Mm, Mostly we will not use the Z keyword, right? Okay, if I remove any of the existing key, okay, whatever. Okay, fine. Okay, sir. Now I'm going to create a worker queue. What is the navigation we will follow? Go here, and then you can go to the records explorer, and you can follow the navigation. Okay, you can follow. Either you can open your existing work basket and here, go here, check, click like that. And now in case you want to create a new work basket, open any work basket. Sir, previously itself we created the work baskets, right? 2 days or 3 days back we created the work baskets. Now open any existing work basket, simply you can save as. Simply you can save as. Okay, that is the one way. Or else now we can, in case if you want to follow the navigation to create, go to the organization, right click on work queue, you can give the manager. BC manager Workbasket to BC manager Workbasket. Now click on create and open. So now here you can specify the organization name. What is the organization? I will copy from here. Okay, you can specify the organization. Okay, if you create a Workbasket, okay, manually we need to provide all the details. Sir, what do you mean by work group? What do you mean by work group? What do you mean by work group, Andy?
Work group is nothing but group of users working on the same department.
Work group is a nothing but group of operators, users, okay, working under okay same team or group or department. Similar okay, sir, verification team. Okay, user 1, user 2 is belongs to sir user 1 and user 2 belongs to verification team. Sir, whatever work items are available in this work basket, only I want to give access to only these two people. Sir, whatever work items are available in user 3, okay, user 4, only they can access only whatever work items are available in this one, in this team only. I want to give the access to only these two people. Whatever work items are available in okay managers work basket, now I want to give the access to user 5 and user 6. So here just you can practice this one. I will give the assignments, you can practice this one. Sir, now I want to give the access to only user 1 and user 2. Okay. Sir, now whatever work items are available in this work basket, I want to give the access to only these two people. Okay, now whatever work items are available here, now I want to give the access to only these two people. Whatever work items are available, manager, I want to give only these two people. Okay, now you got it right. What is my requirement? Everyone. Okay, sir, now default. When we created the application, at that time, Pega by default, it will create one default work group. And sir, there are two work baskets Pega by default it will create when we created the application. Default at the rate Worklist one work queue Pega by default it will create, and default at the rate work group also Pega by default it will create. Okay, now here you can see the default. Okay, now we will create a default. We will create our own work group also with next example. As of now I am giving this one. Okay, click on save. Sir, now this is the default, okay, default work group. Sir, what is the relation between work group and work basket also we'll discuss. Sir, now I created separate work basket right now in this work basket. Okay, now you can see here. Sir, what is the relation between your work group and work basket we'll discuss now. Okay, after this example we'll discuss. What I will do is I'm going to create one more, okay, HR. Okay, HR work basket. Okay, fine, I created all. Okay, now two work baskets I created. Now see. Sir, now this one, okay, manager, right? Now I want to assign to operator. Okay, sir, now I want to assign to operator means now you know how to assign to operator. Now we can select the work queue. Here we will specify BC, sir, BC managers, BC managers work basket. Okay, you can specify this one. Similar, okay, this one also, this is the way to assign the, okay, this is the way to assign the assignments to Workbasket. So now you can click on this one, double click here. Okay, now select this one, work queue. Okay, whenever your team members or your lead or else your user story, they ask you always, now I want to assign okay, case to this work basket only. Now you can select this one, BC HR work basket. You can specify that work basket name, create, sir, that work basket is not available. At the time, you need to create the work basket. The work basket names also they will give. Okay, now see here, now I'm placing a request. Sir, now I'm placing a request. Sir, now who can access that work items? Now here you can see, go here and the case is assigned to BC, BC manager work group. Again, you can create a case. Again, you can create a case. Now case will assign to okay, BC work list. Sir, now these items where which table it will store? Sir, these are all the work items will be stored into a table. Sir, now you are assigning the cases to you are assigning the
PC dash assign dash Workbasket.
Sir, now if you open the table, you can see and click on cancel. Now go here. Now what we will do, sir, now you can check the table, assign hyphen or basket. Sir, now these four items we created. In this table, now we can see the four items. Sir, now who can access? Sir, whoever is belongs to. See now in this work basket, what is the team group you specified? You can open this one. Sir, whoever is belongs to this group, okay, they can access, right? Sir, whoever is belongs to this group, they can access whatever work items are available in manager work group. Agree? Hello?
Yes.
Yes.
Sir, even
Yes.
HR work basket also, whatever work items are available in HR work basket also, whoever is belongs to this one, they can access. Narsimha one is belongs to, sir, where we can specify Narsimha one is belongs to this team. Sir, now Narsimha 2 also belongs to same team. Narsimha 3 also belongs to same team. Narsimha 7 also belongs to the same teams. Sir, everyone can access whatever work items are available in the manager work basket. Agree? Sir, how we can give the access means, now see here, how, sir, in our real-time projects point of view, we will customize these portals. In the portals itself, we can see, okay, if you open the work basket, that work basket related work items we can see. Okay, sir, now here how we can view those work items. Now you can do one thing. Open channels and interfaces. Open a portal. Sir, now here what I will do is, sir, in our, sir, okay, in our real-time projects, okay, people will do the customization. As of now, what I will do is, instead of doing this one, I will add the manager portal. Old versions, we can see we have manager portal also. And now I'm adding here. Okay, I'm adding this one. Now you can see here, okay, now these people can access. Sir, now we can okay log off and log in. Sir, now okay everyone. Now see here Narsimha one. Sir, now you know how to assign the work items to work baskets. Okay, na? Everyone, now we can see here. Sir, whatever work items are available in a work basket, like here in this work basket, how many work items are available in the manager? Now you can see the list of work queues. If you select the manager work queue, now we can see the multiple work items. Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we can see. Sir, same thing. Okay, even sir, now I want to access whatever work items are available in HR work basket. Because both are below, sir. Why both are see here? Nothing. There is no work items are available here. Sir, all the work items are available here only. Sir, now if I log into the application, we will do some more different way also. Narasimha. Okay, 2. Sir, now Narasimha 2 also belongs to same team only. Default, same team. Same means same group. Sir, now Narasimha 2 also can see whatever work items are available in this work basket. Yes or no, bro? Come on. Now, sir, now
Yes.
see, now I'm going to log off and log in from. Okay, now see here, Narasimha 1. Okay, Narasimha 1, just now I logged in. Narasimha 2. You can think, bro, these two people. Sir, now these two people now see. Mm. Sir, now you can see here, both people can see the work items, whatever work items are available. Sir, now I'm going to pick the case, one item and okay, again you can remember. Sir, there is some work basket, that work basket contains, especially in a production environment or else some other environments. Okay, sir, someone asked you to observe one of the case. Okay, whether data is correct or not. Okay, they asked you something. Sir, you have a production access. Sir, production access, are you going to process the cases as a developer? Are you going to process the cases? No. Okay, we will not. Just if you want to view, we can view. And if you want to view, we can view, but we cannot touch. Remember. Okay, we cannot touch. Okay, sir, now we cannot touch. And okay, now we can view. Okay, we can view the cases. What we will do is, for example, when you are going to pick the case from Workbasket, whether it will assign to you, whether it will assign to you. When you are going to pick the case from Workbasket, whether it will assign to you, no and no. If you are doing some action at that time only, sir, now I open this case from my Workbasket, whether it will assign to me immediately. Come on, whether it will assign to me immediately, no and sir, now see
No.
again. Okay, this is the one of the important point. When you are going to open the cases from your any work list, automatically it will not assign to you. If you are doing some actions after that, okay, at that time only it will assign to you. You are doing some actions means, for example, here I didn't define anything. Okay, what I will do is I'm going to log off and log in from Narasimha. Okay, we will I will define one more okay assignment, just like a okay example purpose. Now I'm going to define additional approval. Additional approval. So sometimes your manager will ask you, right? Hey, we want to get the approval from some senior manager, like that. They will tell, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Uh, Nowadays, it's very difficult to get the leave, right? Leave approval. Yes or no, Mahesh? Whether your manager will approve immediately?
No, sir.
Huh? You will ask so many reasons, right?
Yes, sir.
Approve, reject. Just I'm configuring one property, bro. Okay. Just like a demo purpose, demo purpose. Because this is the separate assignment, you can think like that. Okay, now you can log off and log in. Sir, now you can see when I'm going to pick the case from that work list. Sir, when you are going to pick the case from your any work basket, automatically it will not reassign to you. Don't worry. In a production also, whenever you want to open any case from the work basket, just we can open and review. That's it. No need to do anything. Just you can open that case. It will not assign to me. Just I opened again. I closed it. You are not doing any actions. You are closing. That's it. Just like some review purpose, you open that case. It will not assign to you. Sir, now I open this case and then I am performing this some action. Sir, now I perform some action. Sir, now go here. This case automatically assigned to me. Now we can see. Now we can see okay, how many work items are available. Now that case is removed from okay work basket and assigned to me. If you are doing some action, it will assign to you. Okay. Sir, now see how many work items. Okay, other Narsimha one can see. Narsimha one can how many work items he can see now. Okay, now see here also I log into the application. Narsimha one. Sir, now how many work items you can see now? 3 work items. Okay, na? Everyone? 3 work items. Now, okay, now I'm going to pick the case and then I'm trying to submit the form. Okay, even if I'm going to submit the form, this case it will assign to HR approval. So now again I am able to continue the HR approval also because I'm part of default at the rate Worklist. Default at the rate Worklist. Okay, that's why I'm able to access both work baskets and all the work baskets. Okay, now I'm able to access whatever work item is available. One work item is available. Okay, now see here. Now this person also. Okay, now see previously he completed. Okay, he completed one work item, right? And now in case he submitted this one also, it will assign to different user. Okay, clear and everyone how we can assign the assignments to work baskets. Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Sir, now okay, fine. But you only told whatever work items are available in this team, only I want to give the access to user one, user two. Whatever work items are available in this team, only I want to give the access to this one, this one. Sir, now you are belongs to my team. You are belongs to my team. Observant. You are belongs to my team. Some different person also belongs to my team. Means the team. Okay, the team. Whatever work baskets is pointing to the team means work baskets. Okay, whatever work baskets are pointing to the work group. Okay, that work group. Okay, what is the relation now? See and how what is the relation is now we can observe. Okay, relation operator. Operator will be pointed to work group. Work group. Sir, now work group. Operator ID is pointed to work group. Sir, now again work basket. Okay, work basket pointed to work group. Again here also, sir, work group is pointed to work basket. Yes, good. Sir, now I don't want to give the action. Now see, whoever is belongs to this team, okay, whoever is belongs to this team, whatever work baskets are pointing to this work group, everyone can access. But now my requirement is changed. I don't want to give the access. Similar, this is the scenario. I don't want to give the access. Okay, now how I'm going to implement is, okay, how I'm going to implement is now see here. Sir, now you can observe. Sir, now what I will do, I will create a work group. And sir, I don't want to give, okay, sir, now I'm going to create a work group. Sir, now previous, this is the work group, right? And now I'm going to create a, again, you can follow the navigation also, okay? Sir, manager, BC, manager. Sir, what is the relation between work group? Okay, sir, what is the relation between your work basket? Sir, BC, okay, BC manager. Sir, what is the relation between work basket and work queue? Now we can observe. Here now I am giving BC. Okay, work basket. I gave wrong name. Okay, fine. We will remove. Okay, remove and then we can add again. Work group name I gave like we will give some meaning. What happened, bro? Why it?
Sir, you are referring that in that Workbasket. Can you remove from there?
Okay.
So work group should be WG.
Okay. Okay. Sorry. We will give some meaningful name. BC manager. Work group, right? WG like that. We will give. Here we will give the work basket name. Sir, now what is the relation between, okay, here also you can give. Sir, what is the relation between work group and work basket and operator? Everyone is clear or not? Okay, now I will show you practically. Previously, whoever is belongs to default at the rate, Worklist, everyone can access whatever work baskets or work queues point into that work group. Okay, now we are restricting. Sir, now I created separate work group. Okay, here I specified. After that, what we will do, I'm going to create one more work group. HR work group. Click on create and open. Here what we will do, now we will specify the HR work basket. Okay, sorry, in even HR work basket also, now I will specify BC hyphen HR work group. Okay, now everyone is clear now. Come on.
Can you show the operator IDs also, whatever you are using?
One
So
minute,
we'll
I
see.
will show you. Sir, now these are fine. Sir, now we are making a relation between work group and work basket. Now we will make a relation between your operator and work work group. Means team. We can say that. Narasimha. Now I will open these operators. The Narasimha 1, Narasimha 2 belongs to managers. Narasimha 5 and Narasimha 6 belongs to Narasimha 5 and 6 belongs to HR. You can think like that. Sir, now what is the relation? Now see here. Narasimha 1, now he is belongs to BC managers and Sir, BC manager. Sir, now same even Narasimha 2 also belongs to okay this group. Sir, Narasimha 5 and 6 belongs to okay HR. Sir, Narasimha 5 and Narasimha 6 belongs to HRs. Okay, these people can access whatever work items are available. Okay, now you can observe. Okay, now see what is the relation. Sir, Narasimha 1 is belongs to Narasimha 2 is belongs to this team. You can say verification team or manager approval team. Sir, now you can see a simple in our real-time projects, your ODC access, your project ODC access, multiple people. Your request it will go to the multiple people. Anyone can open that approval request. They will provide access, right? Agree? Your ODC, your office ODC access. Similar way, you can think that now this Narasimha 1, Narasimha 2 belongs to manager approval. Sir, what is the relation? Operator ID is pointing to work group. Work group it contains, now see here, work group name. Now see, work group contains a work basket name. In this work basket name, again you can see the work group name. Correlation. Sir, now I'm going to create a case. Sir, previously everyone can see the work items. Now see, now this is the case. Now I created, click on submit. Okay, fine. Now see here again I'm going to create one more case, and I am trying to submit the form. Okay, trying to submit the form. Okay, there are two work items are available. Okay, now again, okay, three items I created. Fine. Sir, now I'm logging into the application. Already I logging into the application, one application with Narasimha one. Okay, log off and login. Narasimha. Sir, Narasimha one, they can access whatever work items are available. Check this one now. See, sir, only this one. Sir, even Narasimha two, Narasimha two. Sir, now you can check this one. Now see here, both can access this one. Sir, whether Narasimha 5 and 6 can access Narasimha 5. Sir, Narasimha 5 can access whatever work items are available, manager approval. Come on.
No.
No. But now we restricted. Now these people are belongs to HR department. Sorry, HR department as of now there is no cases. Now see here, now this person is going to open this case. Now I'm going to complete. Now I'm going to complete. Sir, now there is one work item. Sir, now only one work item is available. Sir, now again here, okay, now open. Go here. Again I'm going to pick one more case. Okay, Narasimha, click on submit. Sir, now here you can see Narasimha one, right? Now log off and log in from, okay, log off and log in. Sir, now even here itself already logged in, right? Now see, there are two work items are available. All these two people, Narasimha 5 and 6 can access. Sir, how we are giving access? How we are giving access to specific, okay, how we are giving your work items access to specific users? Sir, now see here. Okay, na? Everyone, clear how we are restricting the cases to specific group? Any question?
Yes. Yes.
1 minute. Okay, this is the way to route the assignments to, okay, assignments to operators and work baskets. Sir, conditional routing, whether we discussed, come on, whether we discussed or not. The conditional based routing. So when we discussed it, conditional based routing. Sir, conditional based routing means, okay, previously I told that based upon, okay, here itself I will create, okay, example purpose I'm going to create here itself. Okay, now here, okay, any of the property, you can think that don't compare, even in case if you want to practice properly, okay, I created one climb, okay, now yeah, okay, create one climb case and then you can do the practice. Sir, climb amount basis. Now this is the one case type I designed. Okay, here based upon the climb amount I want to route to different people. Again it will take a time, right? Sir, in a clear way, settlement, assessment, approval, okay, fraud check, proper way I designed. Okay, we can configure here itself. Okay, how you want to practice. Okay, now I'm going to show you. You can define a case life cycle like that, and then you can practice here itself. Now I'm doing fine, right? Everyone, hello, clear, right? You people can adjust or not? Hello, I'm creating a leave case type itself. I'm creating one property, simple. Okay na? Sir, based upon this leave amount I want to route the assignment conditional to next assignment itself. We can think about whatever assignment, you can think like that. Based upon my okay, claim amount I want to route to some different users. Okay, this is my requirement. Okay, this is my requirement. Now you want to assign to different people. Okay, now see here, I'm going to create a decision table. I'm going to create a decision table. Mm. Get claim approval name. Click on create and open. Sir, now here you can specify the operators, list of operators, claim amount, range you want. Okay, you can specify 0 to 1 lakh, okay, 2 lakhs. You can specify Narasimha. Okay, written value should be the operator name. Okay, Narasimha. Okay, sir, now you can specify multiple also. Okay, up to 5 lakhs. Level 1 manager, level 2 manager, like that. Okay, now here above 5 lakhs, a director, like that. Sir, any questions? Come on, Narasimha 3, whether Narasimha 3 is available. Narasimha 3 is not available. I will specify the click on save. Sir, where we can call this one? Sir, now you want to route the assignments to, okay, operators based upon some condition. Okay, now you can open this one, click on this checkout, double click here, approval. Sir, now see here. Now here, route to assignment. Now I'm going to select the custom. Again here you can see assignment. Sir, now if you want to assign the assignment to Workbasket, Then you can select the work queue. If you want to assign the assignment to work list, you can select the work list. Okay, now you want to assign the assignments to work list means you can select this one, and then here you can see the Pega OTB. So many Pega OTB activities are available. You can create your own activity also. Okay, you can create your own activity also. Now here work list to work list. Okay, sir, this is the activity, Pega OOTB activity. Even we can create our own activity and then we can return the logic. And even I will create our own activity. That activity, how we can call, I will show you. Okay, this is the Pega OOTB activity. Sir, now I am using this Pega OOTB activity. Now you can, sir, now, sir, not to work list. Now here, to decision table. Okay, to decision. Okay, to decision map or to decision table or else a to decision tree. Now I'm using this one, to decision table. Sir, I created the decision table, right? Now you can select the decision table. Select the decision table. Now here you can select the operator. Sir, whatever you created the decision table name, you can select this one. Click on checkout. Sir, now you can see whatever claim amount you are entering in a UI, based upon that claim amount, it will route the assignments to different user. Okay, different user. Okay, now you can see, now I am going to enter 45,000. Sir, 45,000, click on submit, it will route the assignment to Narsimha 1. Okay, it will route the assignment to Narsimha 1. Sir, now I am going to enter more than 1 lakh. Okay, now I am going to enter more than 1 lakh. Okay, 1,20,000. Now it will assign the case to Narsimha 2. Okay, it will assign the case to Narsimha 2. Okay, sir, now conditionally how we are routing the assignment? Any questions? To operators. Everyone. Any questions? Sir, now it will route to Narsimha 6. Any questions? See, Narsimha 6, right? Okay, now observe here. Okay, it went to the broken queue. Sir, it went to the broken queue means immediately need to think that some routing issue. Sir, now see here. Oh, 10 additional I added. Okay, now clear everyone. Now you can enter case. The case will go to the Narsimha 6. Sir, Narsimha 6. So this is the way you can route the assignments to operator on conditional basis. Sir, even work baskets also. Sir, now you want to route to, okay, route to some different work baskets based upon, okay, based upon type of the customer. Even previously one of the example we discussed it right here. Here, sir, type of, based upon type of the customer, I want to route the assignments to different users. I want to route the assignment to different users, like that I told. In the initial screen itself, you can see I'm creating a case. I'm creating a case. Oh, sorry, not this one. Instead of
Can we use combination both Workbasket and Worklist?
yes, yes, that one also will explain, bro. I will
Okay.
explain both combination also. We can do. Now here you can see, sir, based even practical I discussed also. Sir, if I select this one diamond, okay, in the next screen itself. Okay, next screen is the screen flow, right? We cannot route. Okay. Sir, basically this one, okay, instead of not business information, this one. Sir, now this one, okay, educational information. I want to route to, I want to route to, okay, this one, diamond customers. Okay, diamond work basket. It's a diamond work basket. Already we created. Okay, we practiced it also. Okay, this one is we practiced it, right? Everyone.
Yes. Yes.
Where is, bro? I created one. Per minute. See here. Sir, approval name. Sir, now this one itself, now this is a C. I created work baskets also, diamond work basket, gold work basket. Just we can check about decision rules. Okay, decision rules we discussed at that time, sir, based upon the type, now I want to route. Okay. Sir, now this one, you can select this one. Even work return value, you can specify even work basket name also. Okay, na? This one here, now you can select this one. Okay, here you can select the work queue. You need to select the work queue. And why? Because now we want to route the assignment to work queue to decision table. To decision table. Now whatever okay you created, you can specify this one. Sir, now previously okay, it is routing. Okay, now it is routing normal. Now based upon customer type. Sir, based upon the customer type, now cases are routing to okay. Sir, it will route to gold work basket. It will route to gold work baskets. Now we can see here. Sir, now I selected a customer type to gold. Now in case if you select silver, sir, conditionally, how we can route the assignments to work baskets and work queues? Any questions? Everyone, any questions? And
No.
okay. Sir, now wherever you want to write a logic, you can write either decision table or a decision tree. Okay, or map value. Okay, written value should be operator ID or else work basket name. Work basket name. Okay, now whatever okay, Abhilash asked, right? Sir, now I want to route the assignment either of the one. See, not like a both, right? Hello? Come on, either of the one.
Yes, yes. Either
Okay,
of
either of the one. Either
okay.
of the one.
Or
Okay, all are people will ask you one. Either of the one. I want to route the assignment to either work basket or work queues. Okay, sir, again, okay, I'm telling from today to next week. Next means next almost month ending. Very okay, whoever like real time employees, all these topics are very important to you people. Okay, almost integrations, all integrations. Saturday onwards, okay, I will start the integrations. Many of the people are expecting like integrations, connect soap, connect rest, service soap, service rest, file listeners, repositories, connect file. Please don't miss any of the class. It will useful and okay, tomorrow also I'm going to discuss about routing and SLR are common topics. Common, you will get the requirements every day. You will get the requirements about SLAs, about routing and all. Okay, don't miss any of the class. Okay, now you can see here. What we will do is okay, we want to route the assignment. Okay, I'm taking like any of the example, bro. Okay, now however you want to write it, you can create. People will ask you, hey, whatever operator ID I'm going to enter. Okay, we'll discuss now here. Whatever operator ID. Okay, you people can practice. Okay, you people can practice and then sir, create a drop down. Okay, create a drop down and then you can configure. Now here what I'm doing is drop down and display the assignments. These are the assignments. You can think that operator name, and this one you can display like a drop down in our application. Whatever operators are available, you can display the list of operators names. and now Workbasket name. Okay, Workbasket name. Sir, here also now we can specify the, okay, now we can specify Workbasket name. Whatever Workbasket name you are entering, now don't display like a text box. You can display like a text box means drop down. Okay, both are drop downs. Why? Because sometimes people will enter some wrong data and they will try to click on submit. At that time, cases will go to the broken queue because of wrong routing information. Because of wrong routing information. To avoid that type of things, we can display like a drop down and radio drop downs, or else auto completes. They will search the operator and then click on submit. I want to route the assignments to some different users dynamically. Okay. For dynamic routing, now I will explain how we can route the assignments dynamically to the operators. How we can assign the assignments to, okay, operators dynamically. Okay, now I told that Worklist to Workbasket. These are the Pega OOTB activities are available. We can create our own activity. I will show you. Okay, I will show you how we can create our own activity, how we will write a logic also. Okay, I will show just like example purpose. We will try to use the existing one only, existing activities instead of creating a new one. Okay, now here, okay, I will take some more time. Half an hour I will take. I will complete this one. Now we can observe, bro, what we will do now. So now I want to route to different persons, right? Okay, okay, fine. First one we'll discuss about this one. Next assignment itself, Abhilash. What we will do is next assignment itself, I will route to either Workbasket or else work queue. Not like a same assignment we cannot route to at a time Workbasket and Worklist, right? Whatever you asked, bro.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, same time we cannot. Sir, what we will do
Yes,
is okay, how we will define this one is sir, this assignment only. Now I want to route this assignment to either Workbasket or else Worklist. You can think like that. Even that one also condition basis. Condition basis. Okay. Sir, now condition basis. Now in the same only we will specify. Where is your decision table? Oh, just now I created one decision table, right? Sir, it depends however you want to write a logic, you can write, bro. That's it. Okay. So same only. Okay, now see. Okay. Instead of that, bro. Okay, what I will do? Okay. Shall I create one okay, one property here, claim amount. This one. Claim amount I created, right? Claim approval. Different ways when I'm going to explain about approval team name. Okay, approval team name, like that I specified. However you want to design, you can design it. Okay, now see here, I'm going to include this field also. Sir, okay, what I will do, sir, business logic point of view, I will explain. Okay, sir, single itself, how we will implement. Okay, what we will do, bro? Now tell me, I will ask you only. See how I am writing a logic, whatever you ask. Come on. But you need to handle okay proper exceptional handling and okay. Now see here. Now what I will do. Okay, now what I okay, already we created right, bro. Approval team diamond like that. Okay, diamond. Okay, diamond. I'm specifying approval team gold. Okay, again, it will take a time to create a work baskets silver. Now you can specify, bro. Here diamond, right? Diamond work basket. Agree? Now you.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, now single itself. Now we are doing right, bro. Whatever you ask.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Silver work basket. Sir, okay, bro. If they enter both at that time, what we will do? You will while submitting itself, we will validate, right? Hey, either you can enter claim name or approval name like that. Yes or no?
Correct.
You need to do
Correct.
that type of validations and okay, sir. Now you know. Okay, already we discussed that type of things. Whatever I'm not discussing, right, sir? If they enter claim amount and approval amount, it's wrong only. It's wrong, right? Why you will allow? Okay, please and okay, do the validation assignments. Whatever you know, okay, whatever I discussed previously, again I'm not discussing. Okay, please practice. Okay, this work baskets should be okay already available, bro. Okay, I'm going to check in this one. Okay, now see, but assignment point of next assignment itself we will route. Okay, next assignment itself we will route. How we can route then? Sir, how we can route this assignment to okay different people? Okay, sir, okay, sometimes my decision table is going to return. Sometimes my decision table is going to return work basket name, and sometimes my work decision table is giving a okay operator name. How we can do? How we can do here? Now I'm going to take okay, one more assignment. Sir, one more assignment. Okay duplicating okay upload documents. Upload documents. Take upload documents. Here now you can specify the operator, not operator. Okay, custom work queue and whatever decision table you create, whatever decision table we created, we will call that one. Array.
So we can mention work queue, right? So both the way it will be here.
No, bro. Here now I specified work queue. Sir, whatever work queue
Okay.
now I called. Here I specified the work queue. Now the way of configuration now we can observe. Here now I configured work queue. Same assignment only. I'm calling same assignment. Okay, na?
Yeah.
Here my routing information is to route the assignment to work queue. Sir, now you can take a decision shape.
In the same assignment, there is no such
No,
options
no.
or
How, bro? How? You can tell me?
yeah,
No. No, it's
yeah, no.
impossible, right, bro?
Okay. Yeah.
Same assignment, impossible, right? Agree?
Yep. Yep.
Mm,
Yep.
mm.
Yeah. I was thinking there is a way, so that's
No,
what I
no,
asked.
no, 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 no.
Okay.
Okay. So now you can create a vendor rule, bro. Okay, now you can create a vendor rule. we will create a vendor rule. Where we will create a vendor rule? This one, I'm going to create a vendor rule. Okay, check operator name.
Sir, I have one question. The same thing can be achieved using that. There is one more option called business logic. So there I saw that we can route to either Worklist or Workbasket
Yes,
based on
yes,
the conditions.
but you need to take two assignments, right?
Two assignments.
How is question you got it or not?
Uh, Now you're doing here in the flow based on the condition you are routing either to Workbasket or Worklist. This is decision table is checking that.
Yes. Decision table is returning the value. Finally, see, even if you select the business logic also, it will return the operator name or else workbasket name. Yes or no? Hello? Sir, if you
Yes,
select
sir. Yes, yes,
business
yes.
logic,
Yes.
at that time you will call a decision tree. That decision tree anyway it will return the operator ID or else workbasket name. But end of the outcome, right? What assignment, how it will go? You need to take a two or not?
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir, now you can observe here. uh, Fine, bro. Okay, now see. Okay, we need to take a two assignments, Sucharita. Okay, I'm telling. Okay, in case if you are able to achieve by single assignment, just you can, you people can try. Okay, now what I'm doing is, okay, I'm going to specify gold. Okay, now it will go to the gold work basket. Okay, sir, it will go to the gold work basket. Now here you can see the gold work basket. Okay, sir, now same, now I'm going to create one more case. If I'm going to specify the claim amount, okay, 45,000, 4 lakhs 50,000, now it will route to, okay, operator. Okay na everyone, clear అండి? Okay, అర్థమైందా? Okay everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, Arjun.
Even and you can use the whatever she told, right? You can see business logic means you will create a decision table and you will create a decision. Here you can see the business logic. Okay, if you select the business logic, you need to call the decision table. Okay, we will call the decision table, but end of the your decision tree or else decision table will return either operator name or else work basket name, like that. Okay, so now we covered even, okay, okay, fine, up to here. Conditional basis routing, how we can do dynamic routing, how we can do. Okay, this one also we'll discuss. Sir, now what is my requirement is, okay, same flow only it will work. Okay, sir, conditionally I want to route the assignment. Now previously we created this one, right? Sir, now I implemented some different way. Sir, now I'm going to create a case. Sir, now see here, if I'm going to enter the operator ID here and okay, now, but in a real-time projects, sir, spelling mistake. Okay, when I'm going to enter, okay, like that, it will go to the broken queue. It will check operator, oh, this operator name is available or not. To avoid that one, we will display the list of operators. User will select the operator ID from the drop down. Here also, okay, user will select the operator ID from the drop down. Okay na everyone? Okay, you can sir, however you want to practice, you can practice, bro. Okay, however you want to practice, you can practice. Okay, now see, better to display the list of operator IDs, you know how to create a report definition and how to display. Okay, now what is my requirement? Dynamically whatever ID I'm going to enter, if I click on submit, I want to route to that particular person. Here whatever work basket name I'm going to enter, if I click on this submit, I want to route to that particular person. Okay na, clear what is my requirement now? Hello, dynamically whatever operator ID I'm going to enter in a UI, my next assignment I want to route to that specific person. Okay, already we designed the flow diagram, right? We will try to use the same diagram. Okay, sir, previously here, now you can see, okay, now instead of this one, now I'm going to use operator name is not equal to null. Okay, now I'm trying to use the, sir, now what is the, now select this one. Sir, what is the activities we will use? Go here. Now we are using, now previously we used the two decision table, right? Now I'm going to use the two work list. Two work list. Now here you can select the W. Sir, now W, you can give the W, you can see the parameters. Sir, how we can pass the parameters? Okay, sir, now as of now I'm going to give like a param dot work list. Okay, I'm passing a parameter. Sir, now I'm passing a parameter here. Now here also double click here. Now I'm going to, okay, now I'm going to call to work list, to work basket, right? Here to work basket. Sir, now here param dot work basket. Sir, now dynamically how we are routing, how we are routing to, how you are routing your assignments to operators, operators and work baskets. Sir, now what I will do after completion of the, okay, here I will call my data transfer. Sir, now dynamically whatever operator name you are entering, whatever work basket name you are entering, okay, it will route the assignment to that specific, okay, now see that specific operator or work basket. Now see here, now you can, if I'm going to enter Narasimha 6, okay, Narasimha 6, click on submit. Okay, now it is assigned to Narasimha 6. Sir, now dynamically whatever ID I am going to enter, you can say, sir, we have a predefined activities are available interview point of view. They ask, sir, now gold work basket. Now I am specifying gold work basket. If you click on the submit, it will go to the gold work basket. Sir, now, sir, I will create one. You can use the activities and then you can pass the parameters dynamically to that activity. Okay, na? How you are passing? Sir, how you are passing the cases to? Sir, now, okay, from here, now he is going to submit the form. Oh, Again, okay, we implemented some different way in the routing. Okay, you can remove. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, you can remove this one. Now here, okay, now you can remove this one to current operator. Okay, fine. So now conditionally, how we can route the assignments to, okay, assignments to different users. Even we can create a, okay, here, okay, now I will do one thing. Now in this assignment, dynamically I will route. Okay, I will route this one to operator. So this one also now I want to assign to assign. Okay, now I want to assign my own activity. We can create our own activities also, and we can create our own activities also. That activity how we can call. Okay, now I will show you. We can create our own activities and then we can route the assignments to different users. Now see, now I'm creating own activity, custom activity. Now it's not required, but okay, anyone asked you, do you know I want to route, I want to create my own activity. Okay, a to route to OP. I'm specific. You can create a route to OP. You can create your own activity. Now I'm using a property set method. Okay, sir. Now, sir, HR name. Just like I'm going to add one more flag, HR name. I created one more flag. Okay, sir. Now HR name. Here this one and param dot assign to this static one. Just you can remember. Okay, sir. Now this one. Sir. Now I create param dot assign to. This is the standard. You need to set the your operator name to this param dot assign to. Okay. Now go here and whether you are able to call your own activity, your custom activity. So now custom activity. Now you can select the custom and then you can see the okay your current activity or not. Whether you are able to see your current activity, no. Okay. Sir, in case if you want to call your activity, your custom activity into your routing option, you need to change this route to activity type to route to one. Now we can see. Sir, now whatever you created the custom activity, now you can see your custom activity. Okay, this is the way to create your own custom activity. Now you can observe here. What I will do in a manager screen, okay, will include additional approval, right? In this screen, now I will include. Okay, I will open from here, additional section. Okay, almost time, right? Tomorrow also we'll continue about routing. Any questions up to now, whatever we discussed? Sir, now you people know conditional based routing, static routing, dynamic routing, dynamic routing. Okay, you know how to create your custom activity and then how we can do the routing. Okay, now you people know. So tomorrow also we'll continue about routing only. Any questions, Andy? Come on. Any questions?
Sir, one question last.
Yes.
Sir, actually, we use the data pages based on some parameters, and can we also use the data pages to route?
Where we will route data pages?
No, whatever the decision table we are using right now based on the input values.
Ah,
So we are the return value will refer to either Workbasket or the operator ID.
ah.
So we have, I remember that we had one data reference or something. So we have some parameters. Based on that, we are using the data page to return that value. So can we also do like that?
Yes. I will show you that one also. Okay, fine. Now I
Oh,
got it. What you are asking. Okay. Now we can see this one. Okay, this one. After that, we'll discuss that one. Okay, whatever you told. Okay, good point. Okay. Sir, Narasimha 1. Now click on submit. It will go to the Narasimha 1. Okay. Sir, now, okay, next one is Narasimha 1. Now go here. We created our custom activity, right? We created our custom activity, and now go here. Okay, now, okay. HR Narasimha 5. Sir, Narasimha 5. Sir, through custom activity, we are routing assignment to Narasimha 5. Okay, na? We created our own custom activity and then we are routing the assignment to Narasimha 5. Okay. Sir, now she is asking, okay, whether you are expecting same or not, you can tell me. Okay, sir, now we created one reference table data, right? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Sir, now this reference table data, what I am doing is, oh, see, why? Because, sir, today one work basket, future some different work basket. See, future some different work basket. Again, sir, if I am not available, I want to automatically route the case to some different users and all. Tomorrow continuation, interview point of view, what type of questions they will ask, routing we'll discuss. Okay, now here you can see why we are configuring like that is okay, whenever we want to change okay, whenever we want to change the values, we can change it. Okay, approval name of reference value, what we will give, Narasimha 6 I'm giving. Fine, okay, right? Sir, Simha Narasimha, okay, fine. Sir, now what I'm going to do is, now I'm getting a value, this one. What we will do, sir, here this one itself I can explain, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We will try to use, sir, like that also we will do in our real-time projects. And okay, sir, why you are doing like that, from instead of UI, why you are getting that value from the table means, sir, whenever I want to do the changes, I can do, right? In case if I want to um, change that operator name, that is always we want to send to that same person only name, or else what is the uh, which one we are get, right? This one only we created.
Sir, your screen is not visible for me.
Oh, why? Okay, reference name correct only. And okay, I'm using this one. Okay, I'm using this database. Okay, this database is expecting some parameter, wherever and wherever you want you can use. Okay. Okay, this database is belongs to what class? This class. Okay, I'm specifying this one. Okay, specify. So now always, now I want to route the, okay, route the assignment to name. You can give the name and whatever. Okay, name. Name is the parameter. What is the value you configured in a table level? Approval name, right? What is the value you configured in the table level? Approval name.
Well,
Name. I'm going to configure this one. But now whatever name you configured in a table level, it will assign to that specific person and a reference value. Okay, this is the way we can configure through database. Now I'm getting operator details. So however you want, you see, that's why each topic you should know, and otherwise it's very difficult to answer. I'm telling you. It's a very difficult to answer in interviewer. He will not give that much of time. He will give 1 or 2 minutes of time, whether you know or not. You need to, how we will think within the 2 minutes, how we will think the solution. Because if you practice, keep on, if you are practicing same, see whatever examples I am telling, right? Keep on, try to practice. Automatically, you will get some idea. You can give that idea. Whether it will work or not, you can ignore. If you are giving some approach, then you will think that okay, fine. Okay, now see here. Now it will route to okay, that person, Narasimha 6. Why? Okay, why it is not routed to Narasimha 6? Okay, it went to the broken queue. 1 minute, something wrong. Okay, now see here. Now I gave some wrong name, bro. Okay, not this one. We created some different database, right? Not this one. Hey, what is the database we created? Okay, 1 minute. I will do.
The first one, sir, get reference data.
Why then? Why it went to the broken queue?
We
Okay,
can't.
I got it. I got it. Okay, okay. This is the list database, right? Okay, na
Yeah.
list database. Okay, I got it. Tell me what to do. Come on. Come on.
PX results of
Need
1.
to mention index.
That's results.
That's it.
Yes.
PX results. Okay, we'll continue about routing tomorrow also. Okay, click on route the case. Narasimha 1. Okay, it will route to. So in case future I want to route to Narasimha 5, or else now I want to route to Divya. Okay, we can route what you can specify that name in a table level. From table dynamically, like automatically it will get, and then it will route to that person. Now it will route it to Narasimha 5. Okay, thanks, sir. We'll continue tomorrow. Okay, continuation about routing. Once routing is okay. Thanks, sir.
Thank you, Arjun.
Thank you, Arjun.
Thanks, bye.